Our monsoon moisture is back. I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sullins with a look at your most accurate forecast. And we have storm chances going into the weekend as our forecast stays hot and humid. So here's what Futurecast shows. This is the latest from the University of Arizona model as we continue to track showers and thunderstorms up across the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona this afternoon and evening. The valley looks to stay dry for the most part. A stray storm can't be ruled out completely, though. So we have a 10% shot in your forecast tonight. Then as we go into tomorrow, heat of the day, same story. We get things cooking in the higher terrain along the rim, in the White Mountains, and across southeast Arizona before we see a chance come into the valley later on in the evening. So here's how it's going to break down. 10% tonight, 20% Saturday and Sunday. Not a major washout by any means, but if you see storms out there, you'll know why, because we still have that moisture in place to work with. If you're hitting the pool this weekend, the UV index running at about a 10. That is very high on the scale. It peaks around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So even though temperatures are looking hotter around 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. as we're reaching our highs for tomorrow, the UV index will actually be much lower by then. You're less likely to get burned if you're outside during that time. So lots of sunscreen, lots of water this weekend. We'll hit 98 in Carefree, 99 in Cave Creek. Those spots in the upper 70s for early morning lows, with the East Valley seeing lows in the low 80s tonight. Mesa and Gilbert, 103 for your highs there tomorrow, 100 in Fountain Hills and 102 in Queen Creek. And in the West Valley, 104 in Peoria, Glendale, and Levine tomorrow, with Deer Valley at 102 and Anthem at 100 degrees. Across northwest Arizona, a chance for a few spotty storms there too. Bullhead City and Lake Havasu City sizzling hot up above 105, and temperatures in the Kingman area in the 90s for tomorrow. Flagstaff will hit 77. Payson, Sedona, Prescott, all highs in the 80s tomorrow, and a 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms in those higher terrain spots, as well as across northeastern Arizona and down into the White Mountains. Sholo's going to hit 80 tomorrow. Heber at 79, Winslow 88 degrees, and Safford at 95. We're also going to see that 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms in play across southeastern Arizona for tomorrow. Casa Grande 101 for your high, so not quite as hot as Phoenix, but these temperatures are going to stay in the triple digits and more or less near average through the weekend and early next week. Now, we have the weekend storm chances, but at this point, that looks to be it. Drier air moves in early next week, clearing storm chances out for the valley. We may see a few more storms Monday in the higher terrain, but we're dry valley wide and staying that way for all of next week.